on this new Gucci beauty product. I am so excited to be reviewing this for you guys. I was sent this from Influenster and Gucci themselves for free in return for my honest review and opinion on this product. I am so stoked to do this for you guys because you guys know I love makeup and I don't own anything by Gucci whatsoever. I didn't even know that Gucci had their own makeup, so this is pretty exciting to me. So this is the card that was sent, and basically it says Gucci Beauty presents Concentre De Beaute, a long-lasting multi-use concealer to keep with you anywhere and everywhere. Its lightweight, stretchable texture allows you to conceal, brighten, and even out the skin. This Gucci concealer is enriched with skin-caring ingredients like black rose oil and hyaluronic acid, providing antioxidant and soothing properties, making the skin feel hydrated and comfortable all day. So I'm super stoked to test this out in camera for you guys. I've already used it 2 times off camera because we weren't able to share this until on or after September 1st because it was a secret, I guess, launching product. So I'm super excited to show you guys how amazing this works. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 concealer for me when it comes to how well it works and everything like that. But it's definitely a 7.5 out of 10 because of the price. I love this concealer, but the price is just not in my budget. If you guys know how much Gucci is, you guys could just obviously imagine how much this concealer is. So let's first start off with the packaging. So it's really, really nice. It's like a light pink and black. It's just very sleek. Definitely something you would see at like Sephora or something. But either way, packaging is just packaging. But when you see the bottle, you're going to be like, oh my gosh. This bottle is next level. So it's not only heavy, but it has these beautiful, like, detailed pink roses, which reminded me of my grandmother because my dad told me that my grandmother's favorite flowers were roses and they were the pink and red kind. So I thought that was so cute. But look. And the only con with also getting makeup from Influencer is sometimes they'll send you like a little bit off of your shade. So this is actually in the shade Fair Medium, but I've gotten it to work for me, so I'm not too concerned. As you guys can see, it's a little dark for my skin tone, but I don't use as much, and also blending helps, and also adding your foundation on top also helps dramatically. So I'm actually filming a TikTok tutorial right now, so I'm only gonna do one eye on camera. I'll probably do this eye on camera with you guys. This eye is gonna be on the tutorial, so yeah. So anyways, overall, the packaging is super cute, adorable. I'm only rating the product off of its performance, though. I'm not rating the packaging because I have a problem with that. And I gotta understand that the packaging might look cute, but the product might not always work. And that is a true statement. So you might think, wow, this is amazing, but this product might or might not work for you. It works for me. That's why I rated it a 10 out of 10. So let's go ahead and apply it. So I have a wet sponge. And I'm going to get my mirror. So it also has just your normal applicator. Nothing bougie, nothing classy. Just your natural average concealer applicator. It also has that same odor that all the other concealers have. That clay, just product formula smell. So this is how I do my concealer. So I just add a little bit. It might look like a lot, but I'm adding just what is on the applicator. And I like to go up under like this. So that's how it looks. And then with a wet sponge, I am just going to blend this like this. So as you guys can see, it really does have a light coverage, and this is an actual, this is actually a concealer that you can build up. So you could add more if you need, which obviously I'll need to add more right here. But it is lightweight. I don't really feel really cakey. It's not really cakey under here like most concealers do. It feels really nice, and you guys saw it blended out perfectly. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. I mean, it is just a concealer, but I love how you could build up this concealer. Some concealers are already full coverage, and it still looks like you need more. And I don't like concealers like that, because then it starts getting cakey, and yeah, you don't want a cake face. That is something you don't want. So here it is with another coat right there. My under eye circles are just normally bad, but here it is. I think it looks really nice compared to the other side. I have nothing bad to say about this concealer. This concealer is definitely something that when I get into the budget for this will be my go-to concealer. I just love how, you know, it covers up what it needs to cover. It even covers up really good of my redness too. Like, I have really red skin, and it literally covers the redness of that skin. Like, I love it. What would help here a lot too is using like a purple concealer. So if you have really dark under eyes and you feel like the concealer is not working as good, you can always add a conceal corrector underneath your concealer. So basically you would just apply it to where that spot is, and then you would apply your concealer, because sometimes you still need this with concealer, even if the concealer says that it's really works good and stuff like that. I've always noticed that I still need the conceal correctors for those parts of my skin. So again, it is lightweight, but it also allows you to add more if need, and it conceal, brightens, and evens out the skin. So I can definitely tell it brightens my under eyes. I could definitely see a difference. I don't know if you guys can. I could definitely see a difference. So, see how nice it looks? Oh my gosh, guys. I love this concealer. Definitely 10 out of 10. Like I said, I'm not rating it off the packaging. I'm rating it off the actual concealer itself. Again, like I said, though, it is just a normal concealer bottle, but it does look really fancy. I love the details on top. Again, your normal applicator. I'll even show you guys it up close because I didn't really do that. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. So thank you, Gucci and Influenster, for choosing me. I think y'all should try it out if you get the chance to. I think it looks really nice. And what I'll do too is I'll actually come back after I'm done my TikTok, and I'll apply the foundation over top of it, so that way you guys can see how it looks with foundation on top as well. And I'm also going to apply a little bit of the purple on this eye on TikTok. So I'll come back and show you guys the difference with the Conceal Correct underneath it, so you guys can tell the difference, okay? So I'll be right back. I'm going to go finish my TikTok video, and then I'll show you guys how this looks with foundation. I might just come back with my makeup done, and you guys can see how it looks overall. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, so here I am back, and this is the eye I did with you guys. This is the eye that I added the purple. As you guys can see, this concealer is amazing. This was the makeup look that I did today, and I really, really like it. But yeah. So again, the concealer to me is a 10 out of 10. Thank you to Influenster and Gucci for sending me this amazing product. It's honestly my favorite concealer right now. I wish it was in my budget of spending, but this will definitely be something that I look into in the future because it is amazing. It does what it says it's supposed to do. It's really buildable. I added 2 coats to here, and guys, just look at the comparison. Like, when I added that purple concealer, you literally can see a difference. Like, look. I'm just in love. So, you guys, go check out Gucci Beauty's Concentre De Beaute multi-use concealer. It is definitely amazing. And look how gorgeous all those ladies are together. Like, women should hype up other women. I'm just gonna say that, you know, we should hype up other women and hype us up, you know. But anyways, this is an amazing concealer. Again, 10 out of 10, 7.5 because of the price, but 10 out of 10 for the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys want to see more reviews, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, rate, and let us know in the comments what other kind of videos you guys would like to see. Until next time, peace, and we love you guys. Bye!
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.